Hey guys, Ilsa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I did get a lot of questions from you guys basically asking why am I not using the Blowout Professor's recommendations, and the short answer is I want to make different type of content. All right, so I am still using his recommendations. I still have his what is it called, Color Fanatic. I still have the Redken. I still have all of the things that he recommended for curly hair types to use, or I should say coarse hair types to use, and I still use them. So, but when I'm making content, I want to be able to switch things up just a little bit, and that's the reason why I went with the Mazzani line. So those of you that have come to my channel from watching that video, go ahead and revisit some of my older videos. You'll see that I am also still using some of the Blowout Professor's recommendations. So I basically just want to test out different products to see which ones actually work better for like this type of hair. Okay, the recommendations that he's using, the person that he's using it on has a finer looks like it's a finer texture hair than mine, right? So 4C hair is a different I want to make sure that I'm using positive language when I'm referring to 4C hair, but I just feel like 4C hair is kind of like a different beast, and you can get a little intimidated if you're not using the proper products. But I absolutely love the Color Fanatics. That was one of the first things that I fell in love with when I first started doing his routine. I had no idea about leave-in conditioners and the importance of using leave-in conditioners on our hair tie. I just didn't think it was necessary. And as I go forward, I realize how necessary it is. So I'm going to start out with this. So I like to saturate my hair. He recommends about 16 sprays, but I don't feel that that's enough for my hair. So I just really go in and spray my hair as much as possible. Okay, so just so you guys know, I'm pretty much done with this bottle. I do have a smaller one. This is a travel size one. I am going to repurchase this. I am very happy with this product. The more I try other products, the more I realize I love this one a lot. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna give this a try. As you guys know, I have a heat protectant from my line. I love using this, but I want to revisit this one. I didn't really love it, but I feel like sometimes you have to try products a few times to really see, like, if you're using it right. Oops, I should have showed you how much I put on my hand, but I put about a quarter size amount on my hands. And then I just work that into my hair. All right, so I'm gonna put my hair in sections and I'll be right back. All right, so once your hair is in your sections, you're gonna go ahead and cover it with a shower cap and just expose the ones that you are gonna be working with. So I'm gonna work with this section first. Start at the ends and you can just detangle from the bottom up. All right, now we're gonna blow dry. All right, so I'm gonna do my whole head off camera and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is my hair blow dried. I really like the Color Fanatic a lot better than the Mazzani leave-in. So I am gonna just stick with the, what is it called? Color Fanatic. It just, I don't know what it is that's in it. It just makes my hair feel really soft, very manageable, and just makes my blow dry process that much easier. All right, so I'm gonna move on to, all right guys, so now it is time to move on to my Tymo straightener. My hair is blow dried and it feels really nice. If I'm gonna be honest, I love the Color Fanatic a lot more than I do the Mazzani. It just makes my hair feel so soft and it makes my blow dry really, really easy. So the Redken, I'm also not mad at. I just kind of feel like I have a little bit of a gray cast on my hair. I might have used too much. So that I'm not a fan of, okay? All right, so I'm gonna move on to this. I'm gonna let this heat up. Let me put my hair in sections and I'll be right back. All right, so my hair is sectioned into 4 parts. So personally, I don't like going to the African hair salon when my hair is not detangled and properly, like lightly flat ironed. So because I'm not going for a straight look, I'm gonna just turn my flat iron down to 4. And I'm just gonna give, you know, some quick pass throughs. It's just mainly to get my ends straight. So just go down and up. You can take large sections. Alright, so I'm gonna do that all over my head and I will be right back. Alright, this is what my hair is looking like after the Tymo straightener. I didn't worry about getting my edges or anything too straight. I just wanted to make sure that my ends were straight enough so that when they are braiding my hair, I don't have to worry about it breaking. So now I'm gonna take a scrunchie everything up. I'm just tucking my ends. And I'm gonna use a satin scarf, go to bed, and then I'll show you what my hair looks like after it's braided. All right. Hey guys, Osa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back. My hair is braided. Let me show you the back. And I have my wig. Okay, so I'm gonna go with something short. Hopefully this can carry me through the rest of the summer. I really don't feel like doing my hair anymore. I'm gonna go get my hair styled at the end of this month. I think it's August 31st or something like that. And then I'm gonna show you my 6-month mark, and then I'll be done with the blowout professor's routine. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna still do it. It just means that I can slow down with as frequently the amount of time that I was doing the blowout professor's routine. I just wanted to see what would happen in a 6-month span. I feel like, you know, I have a good gauge on how my hair is doing, and I can kind of slow down a little bit. So I am gonna put this wig on. I'm going to shape it as well. So let's see how it goes. All right, as always, you want to put a wig cap on. So of course, the wig supply store, they don't, excuse me, I'm stumbling all over my words. I have Invisalign in, and it makes it really hard to speak sometimes. But anyway, So they no longer let you try the wigs on at the store, even if you have a wig cap. I was a little disappointed about that because the wigs are not cheap, and sometimes you just want to see how it fits on your head before you buy it. So I'm gonna just take this off here. Once you leave the store with it, you can't return it. So it's either gonna be a hit or a miss. I have a small head, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part. You know what, let me try it on first. This is what it's looking like. I know I'm looking crazy out here, but we're going to shape it to our face. And I'm going to do something to the top of this to flatten it out a little bit. All right, let's get to shaping. So the blades have two sides to it. This is the comb part, and this is the, if you want to really take a lot off. So just make sure you're using the part that has the comb on it. So you just want to thin it out. All right, guys, so I am done. This is what my wig is looking like. So this is how I'm gonna wear my hair. Yeah, so this is what I'll be rocking for a while until I'm, ready to find maybe a longer wig or do 2-strand twists, whatever it is that I want to do. But I just wanted something short and cute. I have a trip that I'm going to be going on, and this is how I'll rock my hair. All right, so this part is completely optional. I'm just going to flatten out the top part right here using an iron. Please be careful. Turn it down. Make sure it's not too high. You don't want your wig to melt, all right? So just going to take the iron and just gently press anywhere that might be raised up a little bit. So just gently press. All right, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.